In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a table in Wix Studio. Before we begin, make sure you're in the Wix Studio editor with the page you want to work on open. We'll walk through where to find tables and how to place one on your canvas so you can start organizing data with a clean, consistent layout. First, open the Add menu by clicking the plus icon in the editor. You'll find this in the left toolbar. This menu is your gateway to everything you can place on a page, from text and images to more structured elements. If your canvas is zoomed in, you might need to scroll slightly to see the full list of categories in the Add panel. Next, inside the Add panel, choose Layout Tools. This section focuses on structure and positioning, helping you organize content in a predictable, responsive way. Tables live here because they're not just decorative. They're built to present information in rows and columns that align precisely across your design. Once you're in Layout Tools, click on Tables. This narrows the panel to show table options designed for different use cases, such as simple data listings or more styled variations. You'll notice that each option focuses on clarity and alignment, which is ideal for schedules, price lists, feature comparisons, or any content that needs a tidy grid. Now, select the table type you like. Hover over the options to get a feel for their style, then click one to add it to your page. The table will drop onto your canvas, usually centered or near your last selection. From here, you can drag it to reposition and use the handles to resize it until it fits the layout. Click into the header cells to rename your columns and double-click any cell to replace placeholder text with your own content. If your design calls for it, adjust fonts, borders, and colors in the Settings panel so the table matches your site's theme. Keep your column widths consistent for readability, and make sure your headers are short but descriptive so visitors can scan the data quickly. For accessibility, aim for strong color contrast and clear text sizes, especially in header rows. That's all it takes to add a table in Wix Studio. Open the Add menu, go to Layout Tools, open Tables, and choose the style that suits your content. With your table placed, you're ready to refine content and styling so it integrates seamlessly with the rest of your page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a clean, easy-to-read table in your Wix Studio site.